Greetings, students. I trust that you had a terrific weekend. Today, we're going to start off the week by uh, creating folders in your Google Drive. So, what you need to do is open up a page in your browser, and then on the top right corner, you'll see the Google Apps symbol here. You click on this, then look for Drive right here. Then you want to click on this. Okay, so this will now open up all the files in your drive. Now you want to create a new folder. So you click on New Folder, and what you want to do is go ahead and name this folder Science with Dr. Hart. Create that folder. All right. So you should see that folder now in your um, in your drive. And here it is right here, Science with Dr. Hart. Click on that folder, Science with Dr. Hart. And we're going to add a few more folders inside of this folder. So you click New Folder. Okay, and we're going to name this folder eJournal. 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 Create. Let's see, eJournal. Okay, create. Okay, actually, let me put two in here. Let me delete one of these here. Delete this one. Okay, let's add a second folder, and we'll name the second one Labs. Great. All right, we're going to add another folder, and we're going to name this one Notes. Notes. And then we're going to add one last folder, and we're going to name this last one Team. Great. Okay, and there you have it. Once you have placed all these folders in your primary folder, Science with Dr. Hart, what I need you to do now is, okay, we're going to go to the share item here. Click on the share. Okay. You want to copy the link. Copy link. copy link, and it says link is copied. Okay, you can close that out. And with that link, you will paste that link into the area in the Google form that you need to submit a link to your folders to me. So you just post that link into that Google form where it asks for that link. All right. So I look forward to seeing everyone's folder. And remember that this is a graded task. So make sure you complete that form, Google form, and you have that link to your folders, because I will be periodically going into your folders, checking your work and making sure that you are on track. Okay? All right, go for it.